This is a 1974 Ford Bronco. It's the latest restoration from Agaso Outdoor. The client came to us with the Bronco. It was running, but he wanted a full restoration. He wanted to keep it traditional with uncut quarters and a stock-looking vibe, but wanted all the upgrades he would need to use it as a daily driver in Southern California. Following that directive, we decided to go with a 5.0 roller cam motor dressed in stamped steel valve covers and an original style air cleaner we modified in-house. It has all of our usual upgrades like electronic ignition, EFI, and a 4R70W automatic transmission. It's capable on trails, but civilized enough to drive every day if you were so inclined. The client wanted to keep things looking vintage, so we landed on a period Ford truck color called New Line. It wasn't very popular on Broncos, but it was the color of our F100 shop truck. For wheels, we did custom 16-inch Steelies with mid-70s Econoline hubcaps. Underneath, we either reconditioned or replaced everything, starting with heavy-duty springs, limited slip carriers in both front and rear axles. The drive shafts are fully splined and perfectly balanced. We coated the 9-inch dropout in oxide primer, so it looks like it did when it came from Ford. A stainless muffler and high-flow cat for the perfect exhaust note, because the truck should sound the way it looks. Capable, but not over the top. We rebuilt the Dana 20 transfer case with our custom kit developed with Novak that utilizes our billet end cap, so we can set and play with internal shims and seal with an O-ring, so no more leaks. All the plumbing is stainless and completely custom. The body tub itself is completely stripped to bare metal before the work of filling all the holes and repairing damage. The body is sealed top and bottom with polyurea for lasting rust protection and shot in Glazerite BASF. On the interior, we chose a complementing marine vinyl and plaid insert, and as always, we use our firewall insulation kit we developed with DEI. It's the best firewall kit available, and it makes the truck so much nicer to drive. This particular Bronco was an original Explorer package, so we kept most of the trim in place, and we had a matching custom tire cover made. We used a center console with a full hidden sound system that keeps the experience vintage, and it doesn't give away all the modern features. As always, if you have any questions about the build or any of our kits, don't hesitate to reach out.